Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here another comparison review of two smartwatches from Colmi. We have the latest, the Colmi P78 Smartwatch versus the Colmi P71. On this video, we are going to compare its design, the specs, as well as the features offered. So if you are interested to see the difference between the P78 in terms of design, specs, and features compared with the P71, watch this video. And again, support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and compare the P78 versus the P71. Okay, so before we check on the design, let's go first with the offered features here. So again, this is the P78 and the other one is the P71. So the same features here, except that we do have an LED flashlight for our P78. Then for the specs, we have 1.9 to 84 pixel resolution, and we have 1.95. They almost have the same size when it comes to screen display, except that we do have a premium screen display here for our P78. We have an AMOLED screen with a very good screen resolution, 410 by 502 compared to our 240 by 284. IP67, IP68. We don't have the battery here capacity, but we do have a compatibility requirement, so the same. Again, 1.95, 1.9 to 410, 410 by 502. We have 240 by 284. Okay, so that's it for the specs. For the design, let's have a closer look. Both do have a ground button here on top, but this one, it is not a rotating crown button, just power on and off, home. While for our P78, we have a ground button, but I think it is only for the menus and the watch faces. Okay, on the side, we have a built-in flashlight. At the back, both do have a magnetic pogo pin, charging cable, USB type A. On the other side, we have a speaker here. And as you can see here, based on the design, curved rounded corners here, or rounded body frame, flat. We have an LED flashlight here. We don't have it here on our P71. For the weight, let's check. We have a weighing scale here. Let's turn it on. Let's check on the weight. 0039 for our P78. For the P71, let's check. We have 39. Again, just the same. 39.13. 39.99. Just a few grams. 0.2 grams difference. They almost have the same weight. I guess maybe due to the strap. Okay, so that's it for our weight. For the dimension, okay, let's check. Without the heart rate cover, 11.1 for our P71. So it is much thicker. We do have 11.2. Just minimal. Okay, not that thick. 11.2. Again, let's have a clear measurement here. let's use this one. Okay, on the other side. 10.8 or 11. Here we have 11.1. Just 1 millimeter, I think. Okay, so minor difference when it comes to thickness. For the screen display here, so both do have a slim black border, top, right and left, but on the bottom part it is much wider here for our P71. It's also wide here on P78, but the P71 do have a much wider black border on the bottom part. Okay, for the UI, we'll check on the UI of the P78. Again, this is P78 compared with the P71. Okay, so let's check on the UI here. Settings with the brightness adjustment here. On the bottom part, we have notifications, so the same. We have the menus. On back, left side, we have the widgets here, or the cards. So different layout. Again, going back to the main menu. So here are the details. So we have the sports records. We have it here. It is term exercise for our P78. We have phone call, Bluetooth call support. We have voice assistant. We have a voice assistant here. Let's check. Okay, we don't have. But we have a heart rate, sleep monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring. We have a shutter. Yes, we have blood pressure here. Yes, we do have a voice assistant also. Okay, AI voice. I think they almost have the same feature offering here, as you can see. Except that we have a flashlight here for our P78. Timer, stopwatch, calendar, female health for the settings. So here are the details. So in terms of offered features, they almost have the same offered features. Okay, we have a flashlight here, but this is just a screen flashlight. We don't have an actual LED flashlight. The same with our P78. Okay, for the P71, it is just a screen flashlight. Let me show it to you. Okay, so that's the flashlight. Here on our P78, we have a flashlight, an actual built-in LED flashlight. Going back, again, here are the features. For the sports, let's see, exercise. Okay, so the same offered features here. So here are the sports function. Other sports. So which is better, do you think? So in terms of design, I like the P78 compared to our P71. But when it comes to offered features, especially for sports, they are just the same smartwatch, or they have just the same features or number of sports. For other features here, they almost have the same offering. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the Colmi P78 Smartwatch compared with a Colmi P71 Smartwatch. Except for the AMOLED screen and the built-in flashlight here, as you can see, when it comes to other features, they both have the same feature offering. Bluetooth call, uh, push notifications, health monitoring, and other tools. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!